In this video, I will demonstrate the process of preventing Wi-Fi from unexpectedly switching on your iPhone. I hope this guide will prove beneficial to you. If so, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Your support is greatly appreciated. Many of us have experienced the frustration of discovering our Wi-Fi suddenly activated, sapping battery life, and gobbling up data without our consent. Never mind, for with just a few simple steps, you can reclaim control over when Wi-Fi engages on your iPhone. Now, accessing the control center might be your first instinct, but tapping the Wi-Fi button there only disconnects Wi-Fi until the following day. It doesn't fully disable it. For complete control, let's venture into the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Even though you might have expected Wi-Fi to be off, here it stands, definitely still switched on. But worry not. Simply switch off this button and voila, Wi-Fi will remain dormant until you decide to awaken it. Following these straightforward steps ensures that your iPhone's Wi-Fi behaves precisely as you wish, granting you a smoother, more predictable user experience. And that's a wrap on this journey. If you have any queries about this process, drop them in the comments below. If this video proved helpful, be sure to show your appreciation with a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. I'll also encourage you to visit my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com, for more useful tutorials and resources on various topics.